Hello guys and good evening. This is Karmeet. I'm your financial expert from Olymptrade. I welcome you all to the webinar today. I hope you all are doing well. How is the trading going on? Please put in the comment section. Let me just check about the audio and video being clear. Just allow me a minute. While the traders join in, let's check whether the audio and video is clear today. Loud and clear. Let me just check. Okay, yes, it's loud and clear, Akpak sir. So let me just pause my own voice. I can listen to that the whole day. Right now, let's check what my traders have to say. So how are you doing? I was just wondering if the sound doesn't work. I might have to ask someone else to take the session. But I think it's you people who get me here, you people who motivate me to trade and to come here. Alright, so we are waiting for our traders to join in, guys. Once our traders are in, we will start our session for today. Just a minute more, and today we are going to learn a beautiful strategy, which is the Millennium strategy. Now, what is Millennium strategy? How does that work? We will talk about it. The traders are joining in. Let's wait for a minute more, and then we start our session. Okay. All right, all right. So I have winners group. So can people who join in and who have a different, ID name, can you all please put in your name when you join so that I know when you ask questions whom am I talking to and all of that. Okay, let's check. Alright, so we can start now. People are joining in. They will keep joining in, guys. So today we are going to learn about the Millennium strategy. Right now we are on our Olymptrade application. And we go to our technical analysis section. After that we see this kind of list appear. Then we click on strategy. Scroll a bit down. Hey George, hi, how are you? Scroll a bit down, we see the Millennium strategy. Now the Millennium strategy is only available for fixed time traders. Okay, so if you are trading on forex, might be this strategy is not for you, but if you have future plans to ever trade on fixed time, this is for you guys. So let's understand what's Millennium strategy. Millennium is an interesting trend strategy. Guys, please catch the words in the explanation. So trend strategy means there has to be a trend when you're trading on that particular asset. Okay, I'll explain you that. That uses the detrended price oscillator, that's DPO, and Heikin-Ashi candlestick. So every time we trade with Japanese candlestick, but it's going to be replaced by Heikin-Ashi after we apply this strategy. The video explains it, but here you have Karmeet who will be explaining it to you. So first, before we move there, I have a couple of questions. Let me answer that so that when we trade, we don't have any more doubts coming in. So why you see 85? Well, I am on an expert level. You might be on an advanced level. So you see 85. Here on your profile, you might see 2 green arrows. I see 3 yellows because I'm on an expert level. Navnath, so how much profit? So we answered that question last time. See, profit depends on investments. My monthly investment is not fixed. It depends upon where I want to trade, and many times it also depends upon the sales in the market. So if there is a good sale coming up somewhere, I want to shop, so my investment that month is low. So it all depends on how much I invest. According to that, I earn profit. But Navnath, if you attend my most of the sessions, you will know that my most of the trades, none of my sessions go in negative. We always close our sessions in positive. Okay, let's go back to our strategy. So whenever you see this is a trend, okay, a downtrend, uptrend, we see that. Whenever you see that the DPO appears above the zero line, color of the candle is green, you can make a 2 to 3 minutes up trade. Okay, in the same way, if the DPO is appearing below the zero line, color of the candle is red, we can make a 2 to 3 minutes up trade. The candle time has to be 1 minute. The trade time can be anywhere between 2 to 5 minutes. Now this uses the Heikin-Ashi candlestick. So we will be using Heikin-Ashi here. It's automatically applied when you when you set this strategy. Now I have made one up trade. Now let's see if we get a down signal as well. Over here also you see the DPO was above the candle. Suddenly the trend changed. It shifted below the zero line. The color of the candle went from green to red. Then we made a down trade. Again here the DPO shifted above the zero line. The color of the candle went from red to green. We make an up trade. Okay. Abhinav sir, welcome. I'm very much fit and fine. How are you? Amritpal ji, hello. How are you? Well, why I lost every time? So there might be few things in your trading that you need to work on. For example, one thing can be your time of trading. Maybe you are trading short duration trades, very risky trades. So that can also impact your trading. Okay. No trade should be below 2 minutes. I will always tell it. Now here, we see that the color of the candle is changing, but still the DPO has not given us a signal. So even if the color of the candle is red and DPO has not shifted below the zero line, the middle line, we will wait. We will wait for that shift to happen, because I see this asset has a trend. A uptrend is ending maybe, and then we will have a downtrend. Okay, so it's a very simple strategy. Now for people who are not on advanced level, how will you apply this strategy? Okay, let's first do that and then we start our trading. So you will see when you click on technical analysis, you will see this list. You click on oscillator, scroll a bit down, you apply the DPO. Okay, once you apply it, you see, okay, let's remove this. Alright, so let's do it again. We go to a technical analysis section, and if we apply the Millennium strategy, what is the value of DPO that we get? Let's see. The value of DPO over here will be 10. So but when you automatically apply it from the oscillator, it's 21. So here you will have to click on it again and reduce the value to 10, and then you can change the graph from here. I would prefer this one. If you prefer this one or this one, that's up to you. You can change the color. Okay, so this you can do. That will be your own Millennium strategy. Again, you will go to the graph section. Okay, you click on 1 minute and you change it to Heikin-Ashi. You click on this on the application, you will see the options. Here you change it to Heikin-Ashi. That will be your own DPO strategy ready. Now the last trade that we made in Asia Composite, that went against the prediction. So that is fine. We will see what the next candle brings for us. Okay, I might increase the amount over here. Now someone keep an eye on crypto composite. Is Millennium clear to you guys? First, before we proceed ahead, I would like you to tell me, do you have questions about Millennium? Let me know. Janish sir, hello, how are you? So here also we are getting a signal. So yes, we see a signal coming up in crypto, but still the DPO has not confirmed. Maybe after this candle, DPO gives a signal and then we make a trade. Okay, so it's very simple. Focus on the DPO, focus on the color of the candle and a trend. So if a trend is ending, a new trend is starting, that is a signal to open a trade once the DPO confirms. Okay, so very simple strategy. Last time we couldn't make much trades, guys. We couldn't trade more. Always remember. Okay, let's see what the next candle has for us. Still the DPO has not shifted, so we will wait. Okay, so basic things you all know. I have explained it in my previous webinars, but for the people who are new over here, if you have any questions about some basics of Olymptrade, you can drop it there. Sir, Ecom Pro, please put in your name. But for your question, if it was a fake application or a scam application, I wouldn't take the efforts to come live and explain it to you over here, so that you all learn and trade better. It would be okay for me even if you're losing your money, but we come here for our traders, so that you are able to trade better and earn better. Because I understand when people invest somewhere, they have some hopes, they have some plans in their mind. So don't worry, you are on a genuine platform. We are here since 2014, so you are on a genuine platform. You can trade without any doubts. Okay, so this candle is about to end. Let's see. But gold, guys, I am really confused about gold. That what do I do? Even though the candle is saying green, the DPO has still not confirmed. So let's just switch. Is Millennium clear? If it is clear, guys, please start putting in your name of the assets where you think, okay, might be this is a signal, let's try this out. I will check that asset. Can I use this strategy for forex trade? No, this strategy is for fixed time trade. Kuldeep sir, I obviously remember you. How are you? It's been a long time, sir. How are you? And did you get any update from Mr. Kunal? So this strategy is for fixed time. It is not used in forex. Okay? For forex we have many other strategy, guys. You can try all the other strategies for forex. Those are there. All right, all right. So, first of all, I need a thumbs up from you, a like, or maybe any comment, clear, not clear, in the comment section before I move to my trading part. So, I will be taking confirmations from you guys. Once you guys give me a green signal to move ahead, only then I'll be able to move ahead. Because I really, really don't want you to go home with any confusions in your mind. So, here I saw a down signal. I have made a down trade. Let's see how that one goes. Anyone has any questions? Please confirm and please write your comments in Hindi or not even in Hindi, may in English itself because it's easier to understand. I see something mentioned in Urdu or Arabic. I'm not sure. I cannot read that comment. I'm really sorry. The discussion is going on. He said, ma'am, I think your voice is low. Kuldeep sir, don't tell me. Akpak sir, where are you? Can you please confirm? Let me also check and confirm. For me, the voice is very clear. I don't know why some of you people, not all of you, some of you face this issue. Okay, again, here we see a down signal coming up. I have made a down trade. DPO has confirmed. Right now, we have two active trade. Let's check what happened to AUD CAD. Okay, it's fluctuating. Anything can happen. All right. So, how many percentage accuracy can you give this strategy? See, that I will be able to tell once we are done with trading. Okay, it's clear, Vasif sir, this time. That's great. So, Kuldeep sir, please check your volume. Maybe there is some issue with your volume. All right. So, basically, how much success that we will be able to predict after this session. Okay, I open 5-second trade and I lose 10k. Please tell me the minimum time of trade. See, Ecom Pro, please put your name because see, I am a person who connects with my traders. Okay, so if you put your name, it will be easier for me to connect with you and to address your concerns in a better way because I can't call you Ecom Pro. That's really strange because we have not at all reduced the volume. Our volumes are on full. I don't know what is it. Anyways, okay. Ma'am, I think it's summer. All of us are trying fans and coolers at full speed. That's why your voice seems. Yeah, maybe around you, there is a lot of voice, and that's the reason you are not able to hear me. But if that's the thing, I wouldn't say that change it because I don't want you to sit in hot summers. Arshad sir, hello, how are you? Arshad sir, today we are learning Millennium strategy. Thank you for that. Thank you for the, you know, comment. All right. So first of all, please tell me guys, is Millennium clear? Can we move ahead and start trading in full-fledged? Look for options, look for signals. Is it clear? A thumbs up, a like, something. In the next 1 minute, come on. Okay, here I will be using maybe a $20 risk-free trade and I'll make a trade in down position. DPO has confirmed, Heiken Ashi has confirmed. Let's check. I have used a risk-free because I could see some fluctuation over here. Previously also this has happened. Two candles went red and then there was green. So I was not sure. I have used my risk-free. Now one trade went positive, the commodity trade. Let's check that one. That is not going positive. That is not in our favor. But we can make one more trade over here to recover this one. Okay. But again, if it is not, you see the strength of DPO. Okay. You see the strength of DP over here. There are not very strong bars, guys. So wait. That means the signal is not very, very strong. So it's clear. Great. Now for the people who have just commented that it's clear, I would suggest that put in your start looking for assets and keep commenting. Okay, keep putting the comments of the assets in your. Okay, everything is clear, guys. Come on. So start looking for assets where you think that okay, this might be a signal. See, I don't want it to be 100% accurate. All right, there can be errors, that it can be wrong. That's fine. I just want you all to try for it. Go for it. Okay, it's clear. Everything is clear. Great, Aman sir. Hello, how are you? So start now. I will only trade if you really want us to experiment this strategy. You will have to put the comments for the name of the assets, and only then I'll be trading. Before after other than that, I'm not trading, guys, because I somewhere feel that when I go, you have confusions. Okay, so prove it to me that no, ma'am, this is clear. We are sorted with the strategy, and we can practice it even when you're not there. So I want that proof from you. Now I have a signal appear here. I made a down trade because it was a down signal. The $20 trade went positive. Okay, so things are going positive. I wouldn't say that it's 100% success, but I feel somewhere 70% of the trades are going positive at the moment, which is again a good ratio. Told me that there is going to be quiz session that are being discussed between the team. Yes, but we don't want it to be the typical quiz sessions that were there last time. We are working on some advanced thought process about it. So yes, it's going to be there. Kunal said the right thing, but not at the moment. Maybe in the mid of May somewhere we might have it, because our team, we together are constantly working on it and trying to bring up something that's really interesting for our traders. Because Kuldeep, so last time we saw the participation is very less. I don't want that thing to be happening. We have a signal in Astro Index, DPO confirmed, Heikinashi confirmed. I made a trade down at Mahajantar. Good going, Abhinav sir. Only Abhinav sir. Yes, down at Mahajantar I have made a trade. Now I don't know. We have two active trades at the moment, three active trades. Two of them show positive. Mahajantar, I think it will show positive. It will go positive. Okay, now three are positive. So the signal we cashed was right. Now the market fluctuation, guys, come on, that can be there anytime. Okay, so the strategy gave a very good signal. We cashed it. We made a trade. Suddenly, if there's some up and down on the in the market, we cannot blame the strategy for that, right? So very simple yet very effective strategy. I have seen traders use this strategy and really enjoy trading. So I want you all to understand this very well. Now I got one from Abhinav sir. Others have not understood it. If you have not understood it, I'm still okay if you put in the comment that ma'am, please explain it to again. I am very happy to explain it to you again. Okay, one trade went positive. We have one in Astra and one in Mahajantar. Let's check what's up with Mahajantar. Okay, the Mahajantar trade, anything can happen. That's fine. Apu sir, hello, how are you? You are late today, sir. But it's good that you joined. So we are learning the Millennium strategy. Do you know about this strategy, or you want me to explain it to you again? For people who have just joined it, do you all know about this strategy? Exactly. So that's the reason, Kuldeep, so that we are working on, making something for everyone so that they are at ease too while trading. So here I see a down signal coming up. Let's hope that it is actually a good signal. Okay, I have made a trade here. Apu sir, yes means yes, I know about this strategy, or yes, I don't know about this strategy. What is the yes? Again? Okay. Naeem sir is new. Naeem sir, did you understand this strategy? So Mahajantar trade, Abhinav sir, that's not going in our favor. You know nothing, Saeed sir. No worries. We are here. Don't worry. We are here to guide you, okay? About the strategy which is being used. Okay, Vasif sir. No problem. So we have 5 people who have not understood the strategy. Alright. So let's start from the beginning about this. Okay, we will go back, we will remove this strategy for you. We are learning the Millennium strategy. Okay, we go to our technical analysis, we see this kind of list, we click on strategy. This is an advanced level strategy which is available only for fixed time. Okay, when you click on Millennium, the description says that this is a trend strategy. So where there is a proper uptrend or downtrend, only then you are going to use this strategy. This uses the DPO, detrended price oscillator, and the candle changes to Heikinashi. Okay, Now what happens, let me explain it to you. When you see that now here we see there's a trend, downtrend, uptrend, again a downtrend. When we see that the color of the candle is red and the DPO has appeared below the zero line, you will make a 2 to 3 minutes down trade. Yes, 3 minutes, fine. 2 to 5 minutes actually. And at the same time, when you see that, okay, from downtrend, the candle is suddenly changing its color. That means the trend is changing in the upward direction and the DPO is also shifting above the zero line. You will make a 2 to 5 minutes uptrend. Okay. So basically, the color of the candle matters, the DPO matters, and the trend matters. The strategy summary clearly mentioned that this is a trend asset. For people who are new, I also showed them that you can just go to your technical analysis and just go to oscillator, scroll down and enable DPO. The value will be 21. From 21 change it to 10, and you can click on this and from Japanese candlestick or area chart, whatever you're using, you make it high Kinashi and you have your own strategy ready. Okay, is this clear to you guys now? Any questions so far? Hello Sameem, how are you? All right, so any questions so far? Is it pretty clear now? Please confirm, guys. Okay, so the crypto trade also went positive, guys. We have some things to recover now. Let's check. Let me first check where I started. What amount did I start at? Just allow me a second. Okay, 38. Okay, I am at the same amount where I started from. Okay, so right now, no profit, no loss. That is the situation, but we need profits, guys. We are not going to close our trading with no profit, no loss. We need profits. So let's get together. Now that you all have understood the strategy, let's get together and let's make these trades. Time duration with this strategy, 1 minute graph, time at least 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's try a couple of, I accidentally made this trade. God knows what's going to happen. For withdrawal process, Naeem sir, I'm really sorry. The withdrawal, whatever payment method you make the deposit to, the same method you can withdrawal. The standard withdrawal processing time is 24 hours to 5 working days. Okay, that's the simple process. The gold trade is going to go in loss. I accidentally made it. I was about to change the time of trading, but I somehow ended up clicking on the down option. So that's an unavoidable circumstance. Okay, all right, so now that things are clear, we will work on this. Okay, so we see a down signal coming up here right now. I don't know what happened, but whatever is happening is for good. All right, let's hope for the best in gold too. If that goes positive, we will have a good profit here. Right now, what is the account balance? Let's check. Okay, 518. Let's hope for the best. Just saying, why not trying making an official account and unofficial in Discord? If you want that account to be in Discord, I will only be the one who won't be a part of it because I have never used Discord. I find it. Yes. Naeem, Vasif sir, if you apply it, I will show you. For me also it will show the same. Add more tools, oscillator I apply. Okay, and oscillator I scroll down, and for me also it shows 21. Click on it and you can just put in here 10 and change the color if you want, and that will be your DPO. See, I told you gold is not in my favor. It's going opposite, but that's fine. That was an accidental trade, so we are not going to consider that. Okay. So I see that there is a lot of fluctuation in the market right now, and look at the time. Somewhere it's time for the market to open up. Here also we see a trend has actually ended. Let's see what the next candle does for us, and then maybe, okay, I have a good amount of $50 trade. I never checked that. So then maybe we make $150 trade, not 150, of a $50 trade, and we see how that goes. Okay. It's not that I never do loss. I do loss. I do lose. Sorry for that English. But what I do is I work on my recovery with very much patience, very much calmness. So basically, DPO 10 is the value of, I mean, previous 10 candles. It predicts the trend of previous 10 candles. It is linked to that. Okay. Ma'am, don't worry, you will love it actually just because it's same as using WhatsApp. You know what? Nowadays, I actually don't like using social media itself. I mean, there's so much scam going on, so many things going on. I don't like using social media. I just use it for being connected with few of my close people. That's all. But other than that, I don't enjoy using social media nowadays. Up at Mahajantar. Where is Mahajantar? Mahajantar is here. Okay. Yes, but do you see that trend? Okay, I have two DPOs. Sorry, I was showing one. I will remove this one. That's why I was saying what's happening. Yes, so up at Mahajantar is there. What is happening to commodity? Come on. I want commodity trade to go positive. It's really, really important for us. Only then. Okay. No, it flipped. Did you see that flip in commodity? Alright, so commodity is flipped. So obviously that is not going in our favor. But why we check just the trend of the last 10 candles only? Well, that is a recent way, recent market study that we do. Okay, it basically the strategy is never safe, sir. It comes with the default setting, so that gives you a default market situation. Okay, the settings are by default. Sorry for that, guys. I was just moving the window and it showed this. Maybe down at Astro. Well, today again I see the market is fluctuating a lot. So, no idea what's happening. This trade, obviously, that will come back. The good thing is we used risk freeze. And down at Astro, maybe? Let's check. Yes, maybe down at Astro, a small trade. Please do one trade of 1000 USDT. Why would I do that? I never do that. You can ask my traders here, people who are here and who join my every webinar. They know I never trade for such huge amount. For making $50 trade, I had to think this $51 trade also I have not used. You can know, you can understand the level of security and safety that I see when I'm trading. So I will never make trades that are very risky and that can impact my results. I will never do that. I want to learn certainly, Naeem sir. That is why we are here for. So any doubts, any questions, you can certainly talk to us. Okay, nothing in crypto. Let's move to next asset. All right, guys, come on, tell me any questions, anything you want to talk about. I'm here to listen to you guys. So if there's anything, feel free to drop in your comment and let's just make some more trades. We still have long 30 minutes to go. Hi, Sam, how are you? I think a signal will come up in crypto. We have a signal in Asia. I've made a trade. Let's see how that would go. Okay, let's check Euro composite. We also had a signal in Euro and I can make a trade here. Let's see. Okay, so we have two active trades at the moment. Anyone, the Astro trade that flipped too. Did you see that Astro trade is also flipping? So market is very fluctuative, you guys. Be very cautious when you're making trade. I am making trade over here because somewhere I tend to understand market a bit better now because I am, come on, I'm trading for almost years now, so I know how to, get into the depth of market, how to understand it and all of that. But when it comes to you, if you're new to trading, just don't copy my trades, guys, because the fluctuation that we have right now, and normally when you copy trade, the screen being visible to you and me making the trade, there is some difference, so I will never suggest to copy trade. Okay, only two analysts who can take trades about 1k or 5k, Akash sir and Hemant sir. They are like legendary confident. Yes, I mean, come on, they have years of, they have more than us. I mean, they are trading from, for Hemant sir, I know it's almost 10 to 12 years of trading that he's given his, trading time to and his attention to. So that confidence is going to be there. But for me, I normally feel that no, my money, I cannot risk my money. Having Discord is helpful so many ways, which will be helpful to Olymptrade staff and also like, okay. Private advisors, no, not at the moment. But Mariam, if you're on an expert level and you need private sessions, we certainly provide that to our expert level traders. Okay, for that, what you can do is you can just drop in your ID. This also flipped. You can drop in your ID. The market is really bad. I'm not going to take any more trades without getting into the depth of this. At least this trade should go positive. Let's hope for the best. Bank card withdrawal take time? Yes, bank card withdrawal takes time. After being processed from our end, it takes somewhere around 24 hours to 5 working days normally. Sometimes it can take even more than that. So bank withdrawal does take time, guys. All right. Right now we are at a $10 loss if you guys check it, which is not good. So we are going to close our trades in profit, in our webinar in profit actually. Let's just wait for a couple of minutes because this time the market is normally very fluctuative. So let's wait for a couple of minutes. Once the market settles a bit, we will make more trades. In the meantime, let's chit chat, guys. I mean, come on, weekends up. What are your plans? Or did y'all actually try to take a long weekend by, bunking work yesterday? Did y'all do that? I know I can get you on that. Commenting this is not easy for you. It is the same for me because things is we understand what you're trying to say, but again we don't understand what you're trying to say. So it breaks. I will. You have shared your ID, Mariam. Let me check your ID. Give me 1 second. 10076 999 3. Mariam, what is your level at the moment? Are you on an expert level or an advanced level? Can you let me know? Can you just let me know what level are you at? If you're on an expert level, Mariam, I do not see your mobile number or your contact information added to your account. I would suggest that please, if possible, add your contact information so that we can call you, we can connect with you, because without that, we won't be able to get in touch with you. Okay, I see down at crypto as well. GBP USD. Flip, exactly. I mean, come on. This much? Yes, yes. I did check that, Mariam, but your contact information is not updated. So maybe you can update that and it will be much easier for us to connect. Okay, don't worry. I will be providing you with personal consultation with our best experts. But for that, just update your contact number in the profile section. Okay, can you do that for us? Okay, guys, let's check some other assets. Hmm. What's happening to this? See, again this one. If this one has flipped, it has not yet flipped, but it's about to flip. Do you see this? DPO strength has reduced. I am not looking at this. It's increasing my try quickler. No, 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 no. I don't do that, Krishna sir. A wrong person. I tried that. We did try that day before yesterday. I wouldn't say it's not giving good result. It does give good result, but basically I don't prefer, shorter duration trades. I prefer to trade on basically longer time frame. So now you see it's 9 seconds. I don't know where this is about to end. I hope it doesn't go upwards. It goes in our favor. Okay. And no, it will not. It will not. Oh, that's really bad. Do you see the end minute suggestion? It's raining there. Where are you? I mean, come on. It's it's like, come on. You cannot say it's spoiled, Kuldeep sir. Rain is a blessing. I mean, my favorite climate from all the seasons is rainy season. I love rains. I just love rains. So never. I would say that if it rains the whole year, I'm happy for it. Every day it should rain for a couple of hours. And that hour should be out of my shift hours, not in my shift hours. So if that happens, I'm happy. I'm happy to enjoy the rains. Moonch index, what do you guys think? If the trend has changed, guys, but the candle has not appeared, no, it flipped. It flipped. Yes, now you have seen the trades, Abhinav, so you know that this is not the kind of trades that we normally do. But today, anything hasn't come on. Go out and get wet in rain, enjoy the rains. I mean, I remember when we were in college and all of that. We used to wait for going in rains, and we used to wait for getting drenched in rain, so that we could get sick and then miss college and all of that. Actually, more of this was done in school. Thank you, Mariam. No worries, I'll contact you. Maybe after this session, I'll get in touch with you. Okay. Just to bunk school, I think we used to do that. Just try to act as if we are not well. Come on, how are we supposed to do? We cannot go out. We used to get wet and rain, fall sick, and then miss school. I did that. How about you guys? I'm sure you also did it, though some of you will just show innocence of why this stable tick index is not in my asset, because it's not giving any signal any which way. Luck. She really does that? I mean, come on. But she cares about you, and that's why she does that, right? Mothers, mothers are like that. Asia Composite, let me check. No, Asia Composite is not down signal. 3 minutes, try that. No, there's no down signal. Yes, yes, yes. Asia, there is no signal, guys. Okay, okay, let's check some more things here. Let's check what other assets we have. We have 10 to 15 more minutes, and I want to cover the profit. At least $30 to $40 profit is what we need. Okay, and only then I am closing this session. So I wouldn't be closing this session just without making profit. That was 10 years back where we could do that, but now she tells me you are at the age of marrying and you are not taking care of yourself. What kind of husband will you be? So that's obviously a right concern, I would say. So if she's concerned about you that way, she's doing the right thing. But then if I would have been at your place, I would actually take my luggage, because I know the next day my mother is going to call me back. So I would actually take my luggage and, go somewhere, get drenched in rain and do something like that. But no, I'm not giving you any bad advices over here. Don't do that. Listen to your mother. And actually, these rains, the summer rains are not that good also. So that is why our parents stop us, right? They're not very good for us. So if they're stopping us, certainly there's a reason for that. Correct? So it's okay if you are stopped. Value the care and concern they have for you and appreciate it, because we don't have, you know, everyone doesn't have that blessing in their life. So, yeah. So that's a good thing. Your future wife would be blessed, right? Mahajantar is going down. You can see. Yes, I can see, but DPO is not telling me to see. So I'm waiting right now. Once DPO confirms, I will do that. So DPO has not given a signal. That is why I'm waiting. And once there is a confirmation from DPO, in the meantime, let's not wait. Let's check some other assets too. I don't want my record to break and end the session in negatives, guys. I need your support to make trades. So please, please, please check the assets. Okay, I see something coming up in Astro, and here also I will be using a risk free actually, because anything can happen, right? Astro, let's make a trade, but I know this is going to fluctuate. Just hope for the stable. Okay, again a trade in um, Mahajantar, finally down. Stable tick is giving a signal. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, stable tick also a down signal. Right now, oh my god, after a long time I saw green color. So right now three trades are positive. Let's see how these close. And if these don't close in positive, then we will certainly make more trades. But hopefully I feel it should close in positive. Let's hope for the best. All right, let's see. Ma'am, don't tell like that, because of the because of they become together. I can't speak to any of them. If I want to, trust me, Kuldeep sir. If that happens, if they are so much bond together, it's a blessing. You won't realize it now. Once you get married, if they fight, it will be a headache for you. So if they are bonding, let them bond. You live in peace and let them live in peace. That's the best thing you can do, because bonding of your wife and your mother is very important. No, it stable tick does not like you because it is not stable. Come on, because it is not stable, it is not there in your profile. That was a lame joke, by the way. All right, guys. So we have three active trades. Let's hope that the trade goes positive. Let's check Astro. Oh, Astro is going positive. Astro is a good kid. It is going positive for sure. Vasif sir, you can get private coaching, but for that we would need your user ID. So maybe you can drop your user ID. Okay, you can drop your user ID to us, and then I can schedule the session for you. So yes, you can get it. Okay, if you are on an advanced or expert level, Vasif sir, sorry. Exactly. So I'm telling you the same, that if you are getting blessed, enjoy your blessing. Okay. I know. My logics are good. Come on. Okay, the three trades back to back went positive. And come on. When we were least expecting it, it's going positive. And when we really wanted it to go, it was not going positive. So, what is this? What exactly is this? Not good, right? All right. So I think that it was good trade at the last. We are right exactly at 40.30 $40.30 profit, which is a good profit as per me. Okay, I am happy with that profit, because the initial time that we traded, that was very very risky, but now we could recover. Yes, 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 maybe a small trade at commodity would help. If not, at least $40 is what we have earned, and I'm happy about it. What do you guys think? Do you think that it's a suddenly, getting that profit is good? If it is, if you think it is, then great. All right. So this is the last trade that I've made actually in commodity. That too because Abhinav sir mentioned it. And yes, today the market was not very good, not very much in our favor, but somehow we managed to get good profit, which is something I'm happy about. It's at least not that I am, forcefully trading, or I did not break my records, is what I know. So I'm happy about that. Nowadays, I'm scared to get mine. Not pointing out what the majority has become. Yes, 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 yes. I totally agree on that. Getting a perfect, concerned, caring partner is a task nowadays. But for few people, we cannot blame other females out there. Okay, so yeah, that's a test you guys have to give, and also we females have to give. So that's there. All right. So everyone now knows that Kuldeep sir is looking to get married. So if there's anyone who is looking out for a guy, for maybe their friends, families, anyone, we have Kuldeep sir, open contender here for marriage. So people can just get their biodata in next webinar maybe. Kuldeep sir, keep your biodata ready for next webinar. That would help your mom also to relax. All right, guys. So, yes, that was trading for today. Now, let's check if anyone has any question. Euro composite up trade. Rajat sir, first of all, why so late? Where were you? Up trade missed a signal. Here we could have done that. Not at the moment. We have missed that signal. Not for the marriage. I was actually planning to go for the wedding too, and give a best of luck card to either him or his wife. Not sure. That will decide there. Okay, so yes, come on, Kuldeep. So you already have reception party planned. You have everything planned. So see, friends are so excited for your wedding. Not only your mother, we all are excited. That's true. Being lucky to get a partner like this. I obviously I agree to that, because for me money is never the priority. For me, finding the right person, valuing the right relations, not only being your partner, uh, but any relations that you have in your life, the money plays a very crucial role for me. I don't judge anyone with, you know people who are rich. In fact, I feel people who are very rich, they at some point of time they don't tend to be a good friend. So I personally prefer people who are not very well to do. I feel they are with you in most of your difficult times. So that's what I think, but again everyone can have their own opinions. That's totally okay for me. All right. So yes, tell me more, anything specific you want to talk about. If no, then maybe 2 to 3 minutes and then we can end our session, guys. Okay, so first of all, three things we learned today. Millennium strategy. We learned that there can be ups and downs, patience is needed. See, partner, Olymptrade doesn't give you only, it's Olymptrade. It's not Shadi.com to give you a guarantee about your partner. Even that Shadi.com owner doesn't give that guarantee. So, what is our fault about your partner? And on your marriage time, how would you know what kind of partner? Starting, everyone pretends to be very sweet. How would you know what the kind of partner she is? That you give us reception party, you give us your wedding party, later on you will know that okay, maybe she's good, she's not good. So that you can't predict. And teach her trading, get her what trading you are doing, teach her that so that she does it all the time, right? And she doesn't bother you. So you live your life, she lives her life. Wasn't that a right thing, Abhinav sir? Why are we responsible? I mean, not only we, Olymptrade or you people who are excited for his marriage, why are we responsible for life partner? We are not responsible. We are just telling you get married to the right person and give us the treat. That's all. All right, guys. So that's I think okay. Then tell this to your mother. She'll for sure she'll not even wait for the rain. She'll kick you out like this only. All right, guys. Anything you want to talk about? Kuldeep sir is fully, charged today to talk about his marriage. Anyone has anything else? It's not only about trading, guys. Anything in specific you want to talk about? Anything you feel that, okay, ma'am, maybe I can discuss this with you? I'm all ears to you. So be open, be free to talk to me about it. And trust me, I will try to lighten up your mood. I won't stress you though, but I will try to lighten up your mood at least. Okay, so I don't see anything else coming up, guys. So it was almost a Yadin. Yadin. Am I pronouncing your name right? You just said hi. So am I pronouncing it right? Yeah, yeah, I get that. I was just pulling your leg, getting that opportunity to pull someone's leg who is so much eager to get married. I wouldn't miss that chance. So I was just pulling your leg. It was an opportunity for us. But yes, we will try if we are around and we are in touch. If I'm still waiting for, I'm still working with Olymptrade. I'm here. You invite. We will certainly try to be there, even if we are not. Lots of blessings to you from now itself. All right, guys. Apu sir, Forex, yes, yes, yes. Forex, I would request Akash sir once to conduct a session in Forex because trust me, Akash sir's Forex knowledge is very good. That's good. I am proud of you, and I know you can do that. So last time I scolded you a bit. I later on after the webinar I did think that why did I scold him so much? But now I'm happy I did. At least you are closing your account in time. I don't trade in forex, but yes, I will see that maybe one session is arranged for forex. I will update you 1 week before that. Okay, this date is going to be forex trading, and then you can accordingly join that. Okay. Vasif sir, I did not receive your ID. Can you please share it again? Okay, I have it. Sorry, 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 I missed that. I have it 78236078. Okay, I have it. I will check your account, Vasif sir. Please make sure that your contact number is updated over there so that we can get in touch with you. Okay, and I will contact you. I will talk to you, but only if your account is on expert or advanced level at least. If it's on starter level, maybe we'll have to wait for some time. Okay. All right, guys, time for me to say goodbye. I'm going to meet you next week, mostly next Friday, and I might not meet you between that, but next Friday I'll meet you. Till then, I want you all to take care of your health, of your mind. Be patient. Do not overtrade. Take care, and I'll meet you next week. Thank you for giving me your time. Have a great one. Thank you. Bye bye.